Good morning, everyone. So we have a problem here in solenoid. So number one, we are required to find the voltage of a battery. So we have the given of Q is equal to 4 times 10 raised to negative 12 C. Permeability of free space is equal to 8.85 times 10 raised to the power of 12 F over M. Then we have the area of 2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4 meters squared. And we have a distance of 2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 3 meters. Now, to get the voltage, we are going to use the formula V is equal to Q over C, where C is equal to the permeability of space times area over the distance. Since we don't have this C here, we're going to solve for C using this formula. So we have 8.85 times 10 raised to the power of negative 12 times 2 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4 all over 2 times 10 raised to negative 3. So we are given the answer of 8.85 times 10 raised to the power of negative 13 F. Then substitute the values. We have 4 times 10 raised to the power of negative 12. Then 8.85 times 10 raised to the power of negative 13 F. So we have the answer of 4.52 volts. Now for number 2, you are required to find the number of turns in the solenoid. So we have the given of L is equal to 0.285 meter mH, and permeability of free space is equal to 4 pi times 10 raised to the power of negative 7, area of 6 minus 10 raised to the power of negative 6, and alpha is equal to 36 meters. Now, to solve for the number of turns, this is the formula. N squared is equal to L times alpha over MO over A. Now, substitute the values. We have 0.285 times 26 all over 4 pi times 10 raised to the power of negative 7 multiplied by 6 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Now we have the answer of 1.36 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Since we have the n has a power of 2, we have to square it. So we have the answer of 369 turns. So for the last problem, we are required to find the rate of change of the current. So we have the given of electromotive force is equal to negative 12.5 MV and L of 0.285 mH. So the formula of EMF is equal to negative L over di over dt. So di over dt is equal to negative EMF over L. Then substitute the values, you have negative 12.5 over 0.285, and we have the answer of 43.6 E over S. So that concludes the problem for solid.